Here's a common one in the shop. A Ford 3000 comes in with the 3-point hitch acting lazy, refusing to hold, or choosing one extreme, up or down, with nothing useful in between. Checks can save teardown. Park level, shift to neutral, set the brake, shut the engine off, lower the implement, and chock the wheels. Never work beneath a hydraulically raised implement or loosen a fitting under pressure. Keep loads within the manual's limits. First, check the control mode. On the Ford 3000, position control lets the main lever choose and hold implement height. Draft control is different, it responds to changing soil resistance. Put the selector in position control, then make a slow, unloaded test with nobody nearby. If it works unloaded but struggles with an implement, check weight, geometry, top link, and lift arm freedom before opening a valve. Next, check the auxiliary services valve if your tractor has one. IN is for the 3-point linkage, out is for external cylinders, and half-out operates both together. A valve in the wrong position can make a healthy hitch look dead. Check the rear axle hydraulic oil using the procedure for your exact tractor and oil specification. Milky oil, heavy darkness, or metal calls for diagnosis, not permission to keep working a failing pump. Look for external leaks around the lift cover, lines, couplers, and cylinder area, remembering that internal bypassing can leave the outside dry. For the repair, note the symptom and photograph the linkage. Inspect pins, bushings, springs, clips, and the quadrant for wear or binding. For pressure or clearance measurements, use the serial number specific service procedure. Reference figures, about 6.3 gallons, 2,500 psi, 5 GPM, and 1,700 pounds at 24 inches, vary by tractor and test conditions. Do not turn a relief valve based on a copied number. Here's my pro tip: separate won't lift from won't hold. A light load test can point toward pump checks or internal leakage, but keep clear and follow the manual. For the full Ford 3000 service procedures and diagrams, see the manual at the manual store, link below. Thumbs up if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.